You know, for homemade hoops, I'm not too upset. Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how I like to make my own hoops. I'm going to show you how I do that. I use the Bootstrap Farmers pipe bender here. I have it mounted on this shelving system, and then you just use top rail from a chain link fence. Okay, so here's our first measurement at 9. And then from there we do 18. If it's off a little bit, it's not going to matter too much, I don't think. There. All right, a few more marks and we're done. We need to slide this mark down. Then you just bend it up here. Come back. There we go. Bend it down. So here's a cheater bar. Slide that sucker in. Pull down. Nice. Just like that. All right, there we go. There's our one hoop. We're going to take it over and I'll show you how I install them. I've got these bigger pipes that go about 4 feet into the ground. There's another one over there, and I'll show you. So these pipes are going to slide down in there. Put that one in like that. Forgot to get a ladder, so I got to run and grab a ladder. I'll get these kind of in there for now. Get them started. All right, got my ladder. This here, my Crocs. Sweet. Now watch out for the cucumber plants. All right. We'll just at least get them started, and then we can adjust them wherever we need to. I can't remember what we did. I think a woodchuck just died. There we go. Okay. Got them connected. Doesn't look pretty right now. Can adjust them. There. All right, not super pretty, but for your own hoops, it's all right. I got a level. I'm gonna start getting these heights right. Also, what's the deal with everybody being barefoot in their garden? I've been noticing that lately. I don't know if you guys do. I'm like, man, if I walked around barefoot, number one, my feet are gross enough. Number two, I'd be spreading some kind of fungus all in my garden. I don't know if it's the grounded thing or not. I don't know, maybe I should start walking around barefoot more. I don't know. All right, we're back. We are continuing our hoop house project. All right, we got the brackets kind of on here. We'll put the ridge beam on, or ridge post. We're gonna slide it through and then we'll tighten it up. Go forward. So it's carriage bolts here. Pinches it in there. Just gotta do that a few more times. All right, little update. So the ridge beam is in. I'm not gonna do the baseboards this year, I don't think. So this section I had to add on a little spacer just because I had the scrap material. I didn't want to go buy another post or pipe. So got these on. I didn't film this. These are some straps. And you screw them in with a self-tapping screw, and you got crimps. And this is an airplane wire that's been coated with nylon. So now the next step is to, on every one of these hoops, put one of those straps on, and those will support the weight of all the vegetables. And then here at this end is where we're gonna put the turnbuckle to tighten them up and to create tension. So hopefully I get that done. I've been dragging kind of today. Just tired. But yeah, these self-tapping screws are frustrating, so it's hard to film. But I'll film doing a couple of these and so you kind of have an idea. Blammo. All right, so got that. Now we're gonna string that through. So now we got our wire run all the way down there. So we're gonna try to trellis up some of these cucumbers. There we go. Got the rollers hooked up, and we got some of this trellis. I've never done this before, so I know I need to do some pruning on my cucumbers, and I'm a little late to the game, but we're gonna try this, and then next year we'll be ready from the get-go to keep trellising and pruning. So we've already got a lot of cucumbers on here. These are the pickling cucumbers. We got some slicers over here. So yeah, thanks for watching. Hopefully this helps you guys. If you guys are looking forward to doing it yourselves, this is a great project. Yeah, thanks for watching. Catch you later.